with a big round head. Add a sparkly jeweled crown. Draw her hair fringe. Add 2 big eyes. Give her a happy smile. Draw her big flowy dress. Add a magic wand. Now color her all in. Now the next color.